Chica girly.
You want to go even though your food's here? She's so happy. Sammy, good girl. She's licking you after she licks her butt. Don't share this one with anybody.
Are you kidding? This is archival footage for the world.
Okay, well, when I'm famous, you can put it out there. Go ahead. I mean, when I'm a famous artist,
Chica girly.
they're going to expect me to be weird. Oh, that's a funny picture. It's not in focus, is it? That's cool, Steven. Put that on YouTube.
Sammy.
With some appropriate music, of course. But Sammy wants her cut. She wants her cut. Ooh, you have cavities. Oh my gosh. Open wide. Did you get inside your mouth?